Hey guys, come with me to nnewi, Aja and nnewi as I pray for my genuine followers. So this is me entering the premises. This is me entering the Aja and nnewi, nnewi premises. This is in DJ. But before I start, let me quickly show you around the beautiful premises, the beautiful nature. You can bear with me that this is very beautiful. Once you enter there, you begin to feel the cool breeze. So this is the guy serving under the chief priest, arranging the things that I came with, because once in Igbo land is concerned, there is a limit to where a woman will go to in a shrine or deity. So this is the guy arranging the things that I came with. The white one is called nnewi, the pink one is called Edo. The white one represents purity, while the pink one represents peace and orgy the cola, because whoever brings cola brings life. I know many people will ask the meaning of the money there. It's called ego asato. Now this is me going to pray for my followers. For those looking for fruit of the womb, you shall receive. For those seeking for freedom, you shall receive. Long life shall be your portion. If ọjọọ amambiagin, so you shall excel in everything you do. Everything you touch your hand must be successful. You must be successful in everything you do. Hence, your heart is pure. Those looking for your downfall shall rejoice with you. Ifeoma ga-emelu gị all the days of your life. The goodness and mercy of the Lord of the earth of the universe shall follow you. But before I close, let me quickly show you my beautiful face. Oh, nwanamma, asa, ugogbeeze, ada nnewi, nwa amụrụ amụ ndị ọzọ daa n'enu, nwa lechaba, nwa Chukwu kelu mbọsị ụka. Oji mma asa ahụ, oji nwayọ, welu nwayọ gaba na oji nwayọ aha emerụ ahụ. So if you believe in this prayer, kindly say on the comment section. Bye.